Hello everyone, hope everything's perfect for you and your loved ones. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to order on our Hacoo app. What's Hacoo? Remember that it's an other uh, clothing app. You can buy clothes, you can buy shoes, you can buy anything you want. So we're going to go to the app. We're going to go to the home page and we're going to select something. I really don't want anything of this, but we're going to go to men's fashion. Okay, let's look for something. So okay, let's say I want this T-shirt. It's really cool. Okay, so I can just put in right here, buy now. I'm gonna select the size, the style, the specifications. Let's say I want it in white. I'm extra small. Shoulder, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So let's gonna go to the cart. So we're gonna go put it in add to cart, and then we're gonna go to cart to check out, and got it. Check out, and we have to put our name, our last name, our email, phone number, shipping address, and then we're gonna pay, and that's all. It's easy as that. So hope this video is useful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.